Convertkit landing page tutorial. How to use Convertkit. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Convertkit is what we are checking out today. So if you don't know, this is what it looks like. This is the dashboard or the home page, and when you jump in, you're going to have to sign in and it'll take you straight here. Now, first of all, on the right hand side, you will be able to jump into your settings. Right up there, you'll see your name and your profile picture. You can jump into settings. Once you're in settings, you can change everything about your account, your payments, your subscriptions. You can change your layout. You can change absolutely everything you need. So right here on the left hand side, it says my profile. It says login details and notifications. So you can update the way your notifications are sent to you. And this is what it looks like over here. This is where you change your profile picture, your name, email address, and your password. And then you can have a multi-factor authentication just to make sure that you are secure. On the left-hand side, you will see that there are general settings. This is where you can change your account settings. There are email settings, your sending and your privacy options, your domains, commerce, billing, your teams, advanced settings, and there you can play around with your affiliate links, your API and tracking options. So once you have set up your profile properly, and this may take some time so that you can get through everything and build a profile that looks good, we can jump back into the home page right over here. I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Convertkit. So right over here, you can tap on create a landing page. So what it's basically going to give you is a bunch of templates that you can look through and choose according to what your audience is and what your needs are. You can also create a form, and right over here they also show you a few ways on how to create a landing page, the best ways to promote your next project, and then the Convertkit form builder, they show you how to use that, and then they have a 6 opt-in form best practices to convert readers to your email list. So what we're going to do here is we are going to tap create a landing page, and on this next page you will have all your templates. Now on the left hand side, if you put your cursor over one of the templates, you can actually add it to your favorites list, which will come up just over here. Then you have all the categories, so you can just select what sort of categories you want to have displayed here, and then you can go ahead and you can choose a template right over here that looks good for you. You can again change everything you want to in the actual builder. So you can either preview that, and once you jump into the preview, it'll show you a preview of all the pages that are involved. So on the left hand side, you can see that there are a few pages on the actual template, and then you can either set it up in your mobile view or you can set it up in desktop view. So let's tap on choose right over here. In the previous page, you can actually just tap on use straight from there before previewing it. So this is what the page looks like. It is very straightforward. On your left hand side, what you have is your page overview. So this is what your landing page actually looks like. Of course, this is the part where you have to now convert this page and make it your own. That means adding your logo, your company's header, all of your information, videos, images, and all of your text. So on the right hand side, you will see the actual toolbar, and it says general styles. So there's the page, and it says you can customize each element on the page by clicking on it. Here are some other styles to specify this page. So here we go. Here is the heading font, body font, and the form. Then you have the heading background, which we can change right over here. And then the header border, we can change that too. Let's change it right over there. And as you travel down here, you will see that there is a content background. If you travel right down over here, you'll see that this is what they're talking about. And then you can use the background colors on the form right over here. As you can see, you can change the transparency of the background image right over there. As we move through this page, you can customize all of the elements that you see here. So from your heading, all you have to do is tap on it, and it will allow you to change the actual text itself. So you can add in, you can change what you need to change there right on the page. On the right hand side, you will see the font color, the font size, and the font weight. And here it gives you a little bit of a tip. If you need some assistance there, you can just tap on the read this article. And as you travel down this page, you can actually edit this video right over here. So once you tap on it, on the right hand side, it'll say video settings. So you can actually paste your URL right over here. So when somebody taps on this play button or taps watch on YouTube, that'll actually be redirected to your video. As we're moving on down here, you can add some more content here. You can add some text. And then there is a little plus sign that comes up. Once you tap on that, you can insert a file. So that could be any sort of file, for example, an image. Then you can also change this to the heading 2 format, heading 3 format, a number list, an unordered list, a block quote, and then you can also insert an image, a gallery, a link, an icon, a button, an HTML blocker, and a divider, a countdown timer, Instagram feed, newsletter, a video, and a product. So this is fantastic. It's a lot of options that they give you. So if you want to insert a button perhaps, then the button right over here, you can now edit everything in the button. You can edit your URL right over there, the background, the font, the margin, what it says, and then once you're done, you can just click onto the next thing that you want to add in. And right over here, it says join the newsletter, and you can edit all of this detail right over here. So you can enter right over there what you want. You can move this around as well. And again, there's the plus key. You can just add a button there, and you can change all the elements right over here. So it is quite important to make sure that your information is here. If you need to enter an image onto this page, you can just tap perhaps on an existing image, or you can add an additional image with the plus sign as we showed you earlier. And you can now choose an image. So you can either upload an image from your device, which is right over there, or you have some integrations. So you can either use Unsplash, which is a royalty-free image bank, and then you can also use photographs from your Instagram profile. So once you tap on that, it'll take you straight to Unsplash, and then you can just type in there whatever it is that you need to type in. For example, camera, and then it'll give you images of cameras, and these are all royalty free. So once you tap on the image, it'll actually upload the image, and then you can resize it, and you can play around with the settings of the actual image itself. On the right hand side, you can see it says edit and replace. Once it's loading the image here, you can crop it, you can add some filters onto it, you can change the color, and so forth. You can flip it, and you can rotate it right over there, and there you go. Once you have done so, and you are happy with your page and all the correct information is on this page, you can then go right back up to the top of the page, and you can say publish. Now once you've published, it'll be published and it'll be public. And there you go. Creating a landing page with Convertkit is super easy. It's straightforward. The editing tools are amazingly easy to use. So go ahead, play around with it, see what you can create. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you there.